Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we will go back with the content that is more on coding and programming. So we will learn how to create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then it will ask the user to give an operation, plus for addition and minus for subtraction, using the concept of polymorphism in Java. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting with my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Basically, I'm using Eclipse as my IDE. It is free to download from the internet. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we have here the standard library for input-output in Java, Java util.scanner. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have here a class. We just have a walkthrough math operation perform. We have two parameters A and B. It has a data type of integer, base class default implementation. And then we have here a class addition which extends the property of math operation class. So here we perform addition. In this line of code, we extend again because of the parameters. By this time, subtraction to subtract the difference between two numbers. And then we have here the public class add. We have here math operation, null to operators, variable num1, num2 operator, scanner. We declare an object that is scanner. Title of our program, addition and subtraction using polymorphism in Java. Enter two numbers that will be stored the first number in num1, num2. Enter the operation plus and minus. So if plus, it will call the method of addition. If minus, it will call the class of subtraction. Else, invalid operation. It will perform the operation, display the result. We close the scanner and end the program. Thank you for using this program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us click the run button to execute the program. Okay, it's running right now. Addition and subtraction using polymorphism in Java. Let's say we have 9 and 2. Let's say the operation first is plus sign for addition. The result is 11. End of program. Thank you for using this program. Another example. Let's say we have 5 and 3. Operation minus for subtraction. The result is 2. End of program. Thank you for using this program. How about we put a value here 8 and 7 and then we put asterisk. It does not belong to the group. So invalid operation, our program is terminated. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition and subtraction of two numbers using the concept of polymorphism in Java programming language. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.